This letter will enrage some of you, and some of you it will help. I'm just going to go ahead and read this. This is from Jacob. It says, "Hey Ken, I thought you might find this interesting. I was researching parks in my area and came across a law enacted against flying drones in a certain municipality. I have been interested in the FAA and local government law dance for a while, and especially since hearing the troubles plaguing our drone community with our friend Bubba down in Louisiana. Below is my recent correspondence with the FAA regarding my concerns and their very quick response to the matter. I've attached the local law as well. Lastly, thank you for your YouTube presence and for TNL. Jacob." So here's the forwarded message. This is from the FAA concerning his concern about local municipalities. They say, "Dear sir, UAS flying in a yard or over private or business property is considered to be in navigable airspace. Navigable airspace is from the ground up. Anyone flying a UAS in compliance with FAA rules is permitted to fly in all such navigable airspace. The FAA regulates the airspace, not local ordinances. It is a federal offense to interfere with the operation of an aircraft. So, private property owners and business owners are prohibited from interfering with or preventing the operations of a UAS in navigable airspace, even if that space is private property." Yeah! Hallelujah! I've been screaming this from the rafters forever. And he cites USC paragraph 401, blah, 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 paragraph sentence there. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so there's a PDF link in the description. You click on that, it'll bring you right to this document that has it all worded out for you. If you're curious about navigable airspace and where you're allowed to fly and why somewhere in Louisiana put up a sign, "You can't fly here just because we don't want you to. We're the police. You can't fly here. We're just making shit up." Anyway, all right. Hide the kids.
Is that the new face, though? The face.
So, let me just read this, and it's small print, so I have to look over my glasses.
Oh.
I look like a dip. Sovereignty and use of airspace. Sovereignty, sovereignty and public right of transit. The United States government has exclusive sovereignty of airspace of the United States. A citizen of the United States has a public right of transit through the navigable airspace. So, you can do it. You can fly. Even if the small town says, "We don't want you to fly here because we're scared of drones. We don't like your drone. We don't like your car. We don't like how you smell. We don't like your accent. We don't like your clothes and your fancy job." You can't do it. So if you're having, seriously, in all seriousness, if you're having problems with local municipalities, print out the PDF that this is linked to. Because nothing gets my panties in a wad. Nothing makes me clutch my pearls more than local local authorities. Local authorities getting all up and making shit up. You can't do it.
Nope.
Where's my other music? Because we live in the United States. Wait, no, that's not it. Because we live in the United States of America. And you are, as a state, as a local town, as a municipality, you are beholden to federal law. And so I'm going to fly my drone through navigable airspace. And that's my right as a citizen. And if you don't like it, ooh. If you don't like it,
Yeah.
local cop,
Yeah.
ooh.
What they gonna do?
Well, you can just continue to be a poopy head.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, I said it. I said it.
a poopy head?
Oh, poopy head.
Oh.
Ooh, man. Ooh.
I bet good to get off your chest.
Felt so good. It was deep inside my gut. I had to get that out there.
Bubble
Anyway.
gut it out.
Get it out.
Directement du Québec. Bas. And bye.